How to save picture on Snapchat. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to save pictures on Snapchat. Just watch these videos until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like see this video. So let's start. First you will just go to Snap and open it. And for example guys, I will as you see here, when you open a snapshot, usually your camera is open. For example, I would take a picture of my Google. I will click here. Then for example, I want to use some filter. I don't know, for example, I like this filter. Then I want to save it. I will just go here to save and click, and that is, as you see, it's saved. And if I want to save it with another filter, for example, again in this filter, I will just click save here, and it's saved as you see. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.